Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
ఏమన్నా ఏమైంది నీది కూడా పెట్రోల్ అయిపోయింది నాదేమైంది
Please, you correct the paragraph, correct the mistakes in the paragraph and rewrite. Let others join. Only 40 have joined so far.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you see the slide?
morning, sir.
Good morning. Can you see the slide, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
please, you please solve it. Solve it quickly.
Sita goes to a walk every day.
Okay. Let
Sita goes
Sita goes to a walk every day, correct?
in the morning.
She does not. She does not.
Does
Yes.
not.
To get up.
Yes,
She
correct.
does not like to get up.
Correct. She does not like
But
to
she
get up.
and two women. Two women.
She does not like to. She does not like to get up at the morning. Correct, Heidi? She does not. Okay. Next.
But
In
she
the morning.
in the
She does
morning.
not like to
Get up
get
in the morning.
in the morning. Right. Right. Next. But she.
But she and
But
two
she and
women.
two women.
Man in her house.
Correct. Correct.
Two men.
But she and two women in her house
Go walking. Go to walk. Walking.
go for
for a
walking. Can we
walk.
say go for walking?
For a walk. Go,
Go
for a walk.
Right. Okay. Go for a walk in the evening.
Walking in the evening.
Right.
She
She
likes
likes to walk.
Yes.
She
Correct.
likes to walk
Among them.
Correct. She likes to walk
She-
among the
two.
two. Among the two, huh?
The strongest.
Do we use among when there are only two persons?
No, sir. If there are more than two.
Then
More
what
than
should be used? What should be used here instead of among? What has to be here? What has to be used?
Between the two.
Between.
Yes, between the two. She
Between.
like to walk between the two. Right.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
She is the strongest girl.
She's
She
See,
is
is
the
there a-
strongest.
Is there a comparison? Is there a comparison or is the sentence speaking about only one person or many persons?
Only one
Only one.
only one.
Only one person.
Only one.
Then
one person.
when there is only one person, can we use superlative degree?
No, sir.
What should be there? She is a
She is a
She's
strong
a
girl.
strong girl.
Yes.
The strong girl.
correct. Correct. Next,
She can eat two.
she can eat two
Dozen of
apples.
dozens. Right. correct.
Dozen.
2 dozen apples in a day. 2
Nice.
dozen apples in a day. Or I want 2 dozens. How should I write?
Of apples.
Of.
Dozens of apples.
Dozens of
correct.
apples.
Dozens of
Correct,
apples, 2
correct.
dozens of apples.
She can eat 2 dozens of apples in a day, or she can eat 2 dozen apples in a day. Next. Can we use myself as a subject?
No, sir. Don't know how she eats so many apples.
Don't know how
I
she
don't
eats
know.
so
How
much
she
apples.
eats so many apples.
Yeah, I don't know how she eats
So much apples.
So many apples.
so many apples.
Apples.
So many apples, right.
Apples.
Correct. Please check.
Likes between the first row. So many apples.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Correct this one quickly. First read the entire paragraph very quickly, then correct. Yeah, now tell me. Sita go to a walk every day. Is it correct?
See,
No, sir.
Sita
goes
goes, right? Because third person singular. Sita is third person singular. Sita goes to a walk every day. She again singular third person. So
like
she does not.
like to
Like
up in the morning.
Correct. Correct. Same. Why same has come again?
Sir, previous slide, sir.
Previous slide only has come again. Yeah, this one you have to do.
My name is Harsh.
Okay, my name is Harsh, correct? My name is
I
Harsh.
am
is
17 years old.
I am 17 years old.
correct, correct. I am 17 years old, correct? I am 17 years old, correct? Please, everyone also has to note down. Everybody has to note down. Quickly.
I am get up in the mornings at 6 a.m.
Every day I get up in the morning at 6 a.m.
Yeah, every day.
Every day get up. I
Every
get up.
day I get up.
Yeah, every day I get up. I am at వస్తుందమ్మా. I am at tenses చదవమని చెప్తున్నా ప్రతిరోజు. Please read tenses every day. Just అట్లా casual గా నిద్రలేసి పండు తొంగుకొని రాకండి క్లాస్ కి. You must read tenses every day. I am get up ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? I get up. I am అంటే getting రావాల్సిందే. Am means B form means getting. ing form should be there. Or I am a boy, I am a girl, you can say if it is a main verb. But every day I get up. This is in simple present tense. I am Harsh or my name is Harsh. My age, I am 17 years old or I am 17. Every day, these two sentences are in simple present tense. So the remaining sentences also have to be in simple present tense. Every day I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. Every day I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. Is it correct?
I
Every
eat
day.
breakfast at
No,
7:30.
let us. Every day I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. ఇందులో మార్నింగ్ అని ఆల్రెడీ మెన్షన్ చేసినాం కదా మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏం అవసరమా డూ వి నీడ్ ఏం అగైన్
No, sir.
No. Every day I get up in the morning at 6. Every day I get
Yes.
up in the morning at 6. ఇక్కడ
I eat breakfast at 7:30.
Yeah, correct.
7:30.
I eat breakfast.
Correct. I eat
At
breakfast at 7:30. Next,
I go
to Polytechnic.
On foot.
On foot. Correct. Very good. On foot. Next,
Umesh is my brother.
Umesh is my cousin.
Cousin.
Right. Very good.
My
Cousin.
cousin.
Umesh and
Umesh and I play
I.
cricket in the
Subject I.
cricket.
Umesh and I play
I-
cricket in the evening.
Play
Yeah.
cricket in the
We both-
evening.
We both is
Drink.
plural.
Drink.
Yeah. We both drink coffee at 6:30 p.m. He. All the
Teaches.
sentences are in present tense. Yeah, he teaches.
Teaches.
Eating.
Every day at 7.
Yeah, he teaches physics every day at 7 p.m. I see television for an hour in the night. Correct, Aidi?
H-O-U
watch.
H-O-U-R, sir.
Spelling of
Hour.
Yeah, spelling hour H has to be there. And I see
Yes.
television antama.
I watch.
Watch
watch.
television.
I
I watch television for an hour in the night. Right, correct.
Listen for an
I watch
hour
television
in the
for an
night.
hour in the night. So what is the mistake here? H is missing.
Yes, sir.
And here morning and AM. AM should not be there. Yes, any more corrections? Please read both the paragraphs again.
Hour.
Read each incorrect sentence and then correct sentence. See, I am Harsh is also correct, and you the sentence you gave, my name is Harsh is also correct. I am 17 or I am 17 years old or my age is 17 years also can be said. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now quickly write all the sentences and write the corrected sentences also. Has everyone given attendance?
Yes, sir.
Write all the sentences. First, after each sentence, leave a line or two for the corrected sentence. Yes, I've written all the sentences. Have you noted down all sentences?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Chaitanya. Is it Chaitanya who is speaking? Who is speaking? Tanmay? Who is speaking?
Yes. Yes, sir. Tanmay, sir.
Yeah, tell me. What is your doubt?
First question, sir. Can I
Yeah.
answer the question, sir?
Yeah, please.
First one.
Please.
Where is your father working now?
Right, correct. Where is your father working now? All the others, please note down. Where is your father working now? Second one. I told you a number of times.
When did Kishore go to Chennai?
Right.
When did Kishore go
When
to
did Kishore go to Chennai?
Correct. Very good. When did Kishore go to Chennai? Because when did comes, past, the verb should be in present form, not past form. Did plus present form is equal to past form. When did Kishore go to Chennai? Next, third one.
Do you know what Mohan is doing now?
Correct. So only Tanmay is answering. Others are not responding. Yeah. Jyoti,
Do you
Does
know what
Rakesh
Mohan
drive
doing
a
now?
car?
do you know what Mohan is doing now?
Does
No. First, let everyone listen to the.
Rakesh
Let everyone listen to the previous sentence and note down. Do you know what Mohan is doing now? Has everybody noted down? Now, yeah. Who is speaking about Rakesh?
Does Rakesh drive a car?
Right, correct. Does
Sneha,
Rakesh
sir.
drive a car? Does Rakesh drive a car?
Rakesh drive.
Next.
Did
Again.
Did Ashwini sing songs yesterday?
Did Ashwini
sing songs?
sing songs yesterday? Yes. Sing.
Did
not
Ashwini
sang.
sing songs?
Did
Sing
plus
songs yesterday.
Sing
Yes,
songs
correct.
yesterday.
Correct. Did Ashwini sing songs yesterday? Next.
Will Ashwini Saraswati go to Jaipur tomorrow?
Jaipur tomorrow.
Will Saraswati?
Will go to Jaipur tomorrow. Won't she?
Please again.
Will Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow?
No, once again.
Will, sir. Will not. Will.
Yeah. Will Saraswati?
Saraswati will go to Jaipur tomorrow. Won't
Is it
she?
a question? Is it a question or a declarative sentence? Saraswati will go to Jaipur is a declarative sentence. It is not a question. What should we do to make it a question?
Will
Saraswati
go to Jaipur tomorrow?
Will Saraswati not go to Jaipur tomorrow?
Yeah, this is not a question. Correct. Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow, won't she? This is a question tag, right? It is not a question. We cannot say, will Saraswati not go to Jaipur? See, if there is no won't she here, all of you listen to me. If there is no won't she, it is a question. Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow. It is a declarative sentence. To make it a question, we have to do, will Saraswati not go to Jaipur tomorrow? But it is a question tag. Question tag, won't she? Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow, won't she? See, in question tags, if there is not in the declarative sentence, there won't be not in the question tag. If there is no not here, there will be not here. For example, Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow, will she? Because already not is here in the sentence. If not is here in the sentence, tag will not have not. If the sentence is Saraswati will go to Jaipur tomorrow, then the tag will be won't she. Write this sentence. Write another sentence. Have you written these two sentences? Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow. Won't she? Saraswati will not go to Jaipur tomorrow. Will she? I will explain question tags once again. But first, note this down. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Now, write the next sentence. Saraswati will go to Jaipur tomorrow. Saraswati will go to Jaipur tomorrow. In this sentence, there is no not, right? Saraswati will go to Jaipur.
Yes, sir.
So, put a comma and write won't she. That is the tag. Won't she? In the same way, Sujata is clever.
Isn't she? Sujata clever? Isn't she?
Isn't she?
Isn't she?
Isn't she?
Sujata is clever, isn't she? Let me type some more sentences. He is good. Give a question tag for this.
Is he?
Isn't he?
Isn't he? There is no not here, so isn't he? Isn't he? Okay. He
Yes, sir.
will come.
Won't he?
Will he? Won't he?
Won't he?
Won't
he?
Won't he?
Won't
Correct.
he?
Won't he? Correct. Okay. She does not know the answer.
Does she?
Does she?
Right,
Does
correct.
she?
Does she?
Does
Very
she?
good. Does she? So now you have understood. So the same helping verb which is there in the sentence, if it is, the tag also begins with is. If it is will, the tag also begins with will. If it is do form, the tag also begins with do form. Okay? But if there is no not, there will be not. Not is always in abbreviation in question tag. Int. He is not good. Let me say he is not good. He is not good at English. He is not good at English. What is the tag for this? He is not good at English. Yes. Here not is there. Hence not will not come in the tag. Here is there, the helping verb. So this tag begins with is. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you lose me? Did you lose me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am unable to see slides, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can you see the slide?
Slide is not.
Nobody can
No,
see the
sir.
slide?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
What happened? We have lost the connection. Why? What happened? Can you see this slide?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
What happened again? Suddenly there was a problem with the internet. So what shall we do? Shall I? Will you join again? I will try.
Okay,
I will try. I will try.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
No. Don't get disconnected. Let me see. See. Yeah, you have to join again. Let me
Okay, sir.
stop. Let me stop this,
Okay,
and then we can join again.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I don't know how to stop this also. Something has happened.